Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Web. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Web, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn Aura framework, LWC, Apex class trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to write a validation rule on lead to check website field is mandatory before lead state has changed to working contacted in Salesforce. So in the previous lesson, we have learned before change the lead status as a working contacted, we are checking website field is mandatory. Friends, in the next lesson, we will be learn how to write a validation rule on lead to check phone field is mandatory if lead source is selected other. So in the next lesson, we will be check phone field is mandatory. If lead source status change as a other, then we will be display error message through validation rule. So friends, now let me jump to my screen where we will be see live demo scenario. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn how to write a validation rule on lead object to check phone field is mandatory if lead source selected as a other in Salesforce. So friends, in this validation rule, will we check if lead source selected as other and phone field is blank, then we will be display error message through validation rule. So friends, find the below screenshot the live demo scenario of validation rule. This validation rule I will write on lead object. Here I open one record of the lead. There is a two field, lead source and phone. Lead source as a pick list, phone as a phone type. So if lead source selected as other and phone field is a blank, so before save the record, we will be check phone. If phone is blank, then based on the lead source selected value, we will be display error message through validation rule. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see live demo scenario how to display error message through validation rule based on pick list value in Salesforce. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce Credential org. First go to the gear icon, click on the setup, then you will be move on the home. Here will be write a validation rule on lead object. So select object manager. Here you will be find quick find. Here I am searching my object name lead because here I am writing a validation rule on lead object. Then click here. In the left sidebar on the bottom, you will be find validation rule. Click on the validation rule. Then you will be find new page. Here you can see lead validation rule page open. First we have defined rule name. So here I am writing a validation rule name lead source other validation because here I am checking phone field based on the lead source other. If lead source selected other, then it will be executed. So friends, here I am writing a validation rule lead source other validation. After that, active should be checked. Then you can write a description for the validation rule. Here I am writing validation rule description. Phone field is mandatory if lead source selected as other. Then go down. Here you will be find box where you will be write a condition. So friends, before I write a condition, let me go through the scenario. So now let me go on the object. This is a lead object. Here I open one record of the lead. It is the lead record. And you can see this is a lead source and this is a phone. So if user selected lead source as a other, this value other and phone field is blank. So if user trying to save the record, it will be display error through validation rule. So friends, now let me go back on the validation rule. First, I will be check if condition. So in the right side function, here I am selecting if, then select insert selected function. Inside the if condition, I will be use function is pick value. Is pick this one because lead source it is a pick list value. So here I am selecting function is pick, then insert selected function here. So first I define if condition. Inside the if condition, I selected each pick function. Inside this function, I will be insert field name. So field name it is a lead source. Here is an option to select field. Insert field. Select lead, then lead source. search your field name. This is a lead source. Insert, then comma, single quote, pass the value. So go to the field relationship, search your field lead source. This is a lead source and value I am checking other. So copy the value from here and pass inside the single quote. Then comma, after that I will use is blank. Is blank. Select and inside selected function here. Inside the is blank function, I will be check a field. Then, so here I am checking is blank phone. If lead source selected as other and phone field is blank, then this validation rule will be executed. So inside the is blank, here I will be pass field name phone. This one. So click on the insert field to get the field lead and phone. This one insert. So inside the is blank, I am putting a field name, then comma. Here I will pass false. So friends, now let me check syntax error. No error found. Now let me go error message. So what message you want to display in validation rule? So here I am passing a error message. Phone field is mandatory if lead source is other. So if lead source is other selected, then we will be display error message if phone field is blank. So friends, here I am displaying error message. Phone is mandatory if lead source is other. Because here I am writing a condition. If lead source selected other and phone field is a blank, then here I am displaying error message. So message will be display this. After that, where you want to display error message. This is a location. There are two type of location, top on the page and below on the field. And here you can select your field name. So here I am selecting phone field because here I am displaying error message below the phone field. Now let me save the validation rule. Validation rule has been saved successfully. Now let me go on the lead object and check the scenario. So friends, here I am opening one record of the lead. This is a lead Vijay Tech W3 Wave. And as per the scenario, if lead source selected as other. So here you can see right now it is a none. Now I am selecting other, this one. And there is a field phone. If phone field is blank and selecting other, then it will be display error message through validation rule. So now let me save the record. You can see validation rule execute and display error message. Phone field is mandatory if lead source is other. Because in the validation rule, I mentioned a condition if lead source other selected and phone is blank, then display error message. So this message coming from the validation rule. Now let me select another one value. Let me select wave and try to save. It will be saved successfully. But if I selecting other and phone field is a blank, then it will be display error. Now let me put phone number. Let me put this phone number and save. Record has been saved successfully. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting any type of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search Tech W3 Wave, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get directly working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.